Section 3.6 Prep Skills Questions. Number 1. Write a proportion that describes this situation. 8 out of 10 people surveyed liked a certain new soft drink. So this 8 refers to how many people liked it. 10 refers to how many people were surveyed. So I will write my first ratio. Again, this is how many people liked it, and this is how many people were surveyed. Okay, so if 200 people were surveyed, well, in our proportion with our other ratio, where would that 200 go? So pause the video and I'll let you set up this ratio over here. Okay, so if 200 people were surveyed, that should go in the denominator, right? Because that's where we put the number of people surveyed. We'd expect about 160 to like it. Okay, so we put how many people liked in the numerator. And on number 2, they're asking us to solve each proportion. So remember, to solve a proportion, how you find the cross product. So I have 7y. I'm going to do it over here. So 7y equals, let's look at our calculators, what 84 times 5 is. And we get 420. And our next step is to divide both sides by 7 to get the y by itself. And we get 60. Okay, let's do B. B's going to be a little bit more complicated. Again, we're going to do our cross products. So 4 times 20, that's going to give me 80. And I have the 9 times x plus 2. So let's go and distribute here. So I have 80 equals 9x plus 18. Okay, I'm going to subtract 80 minus 18. I'm basically subtracting 18 from both sides. And I get 62 equals 9x. So the next thing I'll do is divide both sides by 9. And x is 62 ninths. Alright, so 3a, they're asking us to solve each equation. Well, it looks like if I'm getting k by itself, I will divide both sides by 5. So I get k equals 34 over 5. Okay, B says if y equals 220 and x equals 40, find k in the equation y equals kx. So y was, again, 220, and x was 40. So to solve this, I'll divide both sides by 40. Okay, and let's see if that goes in evenly in my calculator for that, and I get 5.5. So k equals 5.5. Number 5, on February 21st, 2017, 1 ounce of gold was worth $1,283.50. So 1 ounce was worth $1,283.50. Sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. They asked us to write 2 conversion factors based on this information. So there's the first one, and then it's money. And then the second one would be the reciprocal of that. Then they ask on number 6 for us to use one of the conversion factors you wrote to find the value of 10.5 ounces of gold, and then use the other to find out how much gold could be purchased for $30,000. Okay, so I'm going to start with the 10.5 ounces. Now I need the ounces to divide out, so it looks like I will need this conversion factor right here. Okay, so let's do that. Let's multiply by $1,283.50 over 1 ounce. As you see, the ounces divide out, and I multiply 10 and 5/10 times the $1,283.50, and so I get that is worth $13,476.75. All right, on the next one, they want us to use this 30,000 and figure out how much gold could be purchased for that. Well, I need the dollars to divide out, so I'll multiply by this first conversion factor right here. Okay, and so that's 1 ounce. over $1,283.50. So I looked up the answers to see what they wanted us to round to, and it looks like they want us to round to the nearest tenth. So we're going to take the 30,000 and divide by $1,283.50, and we get 23 4/10 ounces of gold. So our dollars are going to divide out there.